Hello mga kabibes! How are you guys? Welcome to my vlog. Hi! Another day, another vlog. As you can see guys, look at this! Snow is gone! Oh no! Oh wow! Sarap maglakad guys. Wala nang snow. Oy, salamat! Nag-plus na kasi guys. Plus degrees. Nag-plus na kasi. Kaya wala nang snow. Kukunti na lang. Pero I think snow is coming again. Yeah. Snow is coming again. Soon. Maybe before Christmas, after Christmas. Oh, look at that. It's a nice weather. Yehoo! Ubos ng snow. Natunaw na. As you can see. Around here. This road is a busy road. Busy road. Busy road guys. There's a new condo. It's a new condo. It's busy road. There's hospital over there. Business store. There's a clinic over there. 5th floor. And there's the trees. No leaves. Of course. And this one is a big bear for sale. Big bear is a for sale. Look at this. Look at that. Yes. I don't know how much this. There's no price. There's no price. You cannot see. You have to go inside. It's a big one. Pwede mong kahiga kung wala kang kayakap. Wala kang kayakap ng gabi. Pwede yan. Pwede ito. I don't know how much this. Maybe around 30. Maybe around 24, 25. Maybe like that. Maybe. Look at that guys. So, my purple, my light green. What is this? Off-white, gray, brownish, light brown, and then yeah, rose, light rose color. Pwede na mag-bike. Summer na. Sana summer na guys. Wala nang snow. Sana tapos na. Sana all tapos na. We never know. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe ayun pala isang isang tuhod na darating. Patay. Grabe. Tapos ang maliligayang araw ni Kabibes. Aakyat ulit ng bundok, kibok-kibok. Diba? Diba pag ganito ang sarap maglakad makakatuwa yung mga tao guys parang tuwang-tuwa na walang snow. Tuwang-tuwa talaga. Tuwang-tuwa. Nakakasuot na sila ng sneaker. Pero ako hindi guys. Hindi ako makapagsuot ng sneaker kahit ganyan na panahon. No. Gusto ko lagi yung may warmer, yung the same thing. Yung the same na may warmer, the same boots. Kahit walang snow. Kasi very important. Ayaw ko malamigan. Bawal magkasakit. Mostly mga clinic po dito guys. Mga clinic, ganun. Clinic, different kind of thing diba? May eyes, may x-ray yan, may general check up, may dentist, may lahat ng mga clinic nandiyan na sari-sari singkamas na to. Parang pinakbet ba? Diba? Alright, busy road is traffic. Even though it's green now. It's busy road talaga. Busy road. Busy road. Open sesame. Come on. Open. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Wala nang isna. Decoration. Dito guys, yun, dito yan. May train dyan, dumadaan. Yung bagong train. Opo. Kaya ginawa siyang little park. Ayun, airplane sa taas. So, ganda panahon guys. Look like spring. Look like spring. Wala nang snow. Nakakatuwa. Dapat ganito hanggang Pasko. Oh, ang ganda dito siguro. Ang daming ano yung lights paggabi. Ito po yung ano guys, yung rose. Wala na mga rose. Ayan no. Humiga na mga rose guys. Mga rose pa ngayon nandyan. Humiga na sa rose garden. There, you can see there, you can read. Ayan no, sabi niya rose garden. Oh, yan. Humiga na yung mga rose. Ayan. Tinakpan guys para hindi sila ginawin. Ayan no, takip na tikip. Uy, grabe. Ayan no, alon sila. Yan, mga rose yan. Hoy, wawa naman. Ang ganda dito paggabi guys. Oh, daming ilaw. Ayan no. Oh, maraming dito different plant pagka summer. Oh, may duyan pa. Dito yung maraming mga bulaklak. Opo. Oh, may duyan pa oh. May mga halaman mga yan nandiyan nakabitin pero tinanggal muna for the meantime because it's winter. You know. Alright, let's go walk. Ano to? Ada yung Ilocano na ato yung masetas. Planta green na green pine tree. Pero ni Ilocano, Tagalog. Ilocano, I don't know. Nalipata ko. Anyway, yun na yun. Ayun na po init 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 o'clock. Maybe 1:30 na. Opo, ayan na. Lulubog na 2 hours. Didilim na yan. Opo. Ayan, nasa big park for skating. Ayan dulas Naninilaw. Na slippery. Look like slippery. Ice na ice Ayan, dyan sila mga skaters. Mga bata, mga marunong mag-skate. Yan. Outdoor skate area. Playground for the summer. But now no good. Kasi it's a winter. As you can see, dito marami snow. Pero doon kanina yung start ng vlog is wala na snow. Look like summer. Look like summer doon. Dito, naging winter. Diba? Pati dyan, may ilaw. Ayun, hanggang sa taas. May ilaw pala dito, banda rito. Maganda paggabi. Diba? Alright, thank you for watching. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. And advance Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Thank you. God bless. Bye.